Hey everyone, the Dashcam Store with the unboxing and sample footage for the FA200, Thinkware's newest all-around economical dashcam. Designed with the utmost discretion and packed with features, such as built-in Wi-Fi and advanced parking mode. This sleek and compact dashcam offers 1 or 2 channel recording, so you can rest easy knowing the FA200 has your back. The 1-channel package comes with your forward-facing camera and a standard set of accessories, including either a 12-volt power cigarette charging cable or a Thinkware direct wire harness. 1 mount with 3M adhesive, a spare 3M adhesive pad, 3 adhesive cable holders, a microSD card and SD card adapter, and finally, your user manual. You have a choice of 16, 32, 64, or 128 GB memory cards from Thinkware with your FA200. Memory cards are an essential component in your dashcam. Thinkware takes that one step further by incorporating anti-file corruption that stops data fragmentation and file corruption on the memory card, which extends the life of each card. We only ship Thinkware memory cards with Thinkware dashcams for the highest possible reliability and compatibility, and the FA200 is no exception. The front camera uses a premium image sensor that provides wide dynamic range for correctly exposed, true color video. The front camera features a viewing angle of 140 degrees and supports 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, while the optional rear-facing or inside-facing IR cameras record in HD 720p with a 135-degree viewing angle. We love that with Thinkware dashcams you can always buy the front unit first and add on a secondary or rear inside-facing camera later, which is great for those on a budget who are still looking for full coverage and the full range of features and functionality. As mentioned, your optional secondary camera options are either the inside-facing cam or the rear-facing cam. This one's your inside-facing cam, also known as an IR or infrared camera that allows recording inside the vehicle's cabin, even at night. These are great if you're a rideshare driver or simply have assets you want to protect inside your vehicle. The rear-facing cam is intended to be mounted on the rear glass to record behind the vehicle, but can be mounted just about anywhere using our alternative mounting solutions if you have a different configuration in mind. On top of your main camera you have your DC power port, and on the side you have a port for the secondary cam along with a GPS antenna port. On the back of the cam you have a manual record button that when pressed will automatically record as an event file so it can be tagged and easily accessed later. Next to that, you will find your Wi-Fi button, which when pressed will allow you to connect to your cam using a Thinkware app. Your SSID will start with the word Thinkware and have a corresponding number assigned to it. And the default password is 1234567889. I'll talk a little bit more about Wi-Fi later in this video. Along with the buttons, you have a couple of LED indicator lights on the left of the camera. Your status LED light will flash red when starting up and hold on a solid green while continuous recording is active. The Wi-Fi light will flash blue when you are attempting to connect. Once you've established a connection, the light will turn a solid blue. And when you cancel the connection by closing the app or turning off Wi-Fi, the blue light will flash then turn off. In addition to the LED status lights, you will also be audibly alerted when the camera begins continuous recording, when there are Wi-Fi connection updates, and when there's an impact to the vehicle. With the optional GPS antenna, you will receive further alerts notifying you of red light cameras, speed enforced camera zones, and when your GPS is connected. The FA200 can be hardwired to enable parking mode or just to eliminate that cigarette lighter plug for a cleaner installed look. You can also of course just purchase the camera with a standard cigarette lighter power cable if you're not interested in the parking mode feature or want a quick and portable solution. The advanced parking mode will protect your vehicle while the engine is turned off. Impact detection will capture impacts caused to the vehicle like a hit and run or vandalism for example. The advanced parking mode feature uses an energy-saving mode that extends coverage duration exponentially by keeping the dashcam in a power-saving mode during inactivity. The dashcam enters a sleep mode and wakes up almost instantly after an impact has been detected to safely record and store the next 20 seconds. Once your parking mode has been set up, you can take advantage of Thinkware's time-lapse function that allows you to capture footage at a lower frame rate and reduce file size to cover a longer period of surveillance. This feature can operate for up to 72 hours after the ignition is turned off. Use the built-in Wi-Fi and Thinkware mobile apps for iPhone and Android to position your dashcam using the Live View feature, review your recorded footage, and customize your settings. Through the free Thinkware PC or Mac viewer, you can play back and download recorded videos to your computer. You can also change the dashcam settings, format the memory card, or install updates with just a few clicks in the viewer. With the optional GPS antenna, your dashcam can track the road and direction of travel to notify you of any red light cameras or photo-enforced areas. The FA200 can also record the vehicle's driving speed and position so that you can see its precise location, velocity, and routes on a map when playing back the footage from the memory card. This is ideal for business owners, fleet managers, parents, or those who would simply like to have a record of their precise whereabouts and, more importantly, their speed when driving. Another great feature is the integrated thermal protection, which takes advantage of the embedded supercapacitor and thermal sensor that not only enhances the reliability of the camera, but also shuts your dashcam off if it gets too hot to operate safely. If you're looking for a small, sleek, affordable, and reliable dashcam, look no further than Thinkware's FA200. This 1 or 2 channel camera system is ideal for everyday drivers, businesses, fleets, and rideshare drivers due to its economic value, discreet design, and robust feature set.
Now recording.